in power.
This next exercise is designed around paradise. So the same way when you touch down in a new place or you're in a new environment, the first thing you do, that's what I want you to imagine. I want you to feel paradise in every breath. I want you to feel the environment of peace, serenity, euphoria, bliss, whatever that looks like and feels like for you. I want you to embody that experience. Embody the environment and feel the sounds, feel your breath, embracing what paradise feels like for you. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have our hands right here by our side. Every single breath, we're gonna raise our chest up subtly, and we're gonna exhale, drop our hands. It's almost like we're embodying where we are and accepting and breathing into a new paradise, a new part of relaxation, a new sense of peace, a new piece of serenity. Whatever it looks like for you, I want you to breathe that in. Allow yourself to smell the smells. Feel the nature, whether it's sunlight, whether it's a beach, whatever it is, embody this euphoric bliss. Here we go. Inhale, tall, chest goes up. Dropping those hands. Breathe in your paradise. Paradise, more bliss. Letting it go. 3 more of your best breaths right now. Release. 2 more best blissful breaths. Feel the sand in your toes. And when you're ready, move your neck, move your head, move your shoulders, touch those hands. Feel paradise. In every breath you take today, feel paradise. Feel bliss. Feel yourself living in your dream place, in your dream location. Your dream environment, because it starts with your mind and our body, and we combine those energies, we become embodied, and every change is from within. It's about magnifying and reflecting that energy within ourselves so we can attract, we can experience, and most importantly, we get to breathe that level of paradise. So continue to practice living your paradise life, breathing your paradise breath, and find serenity in each and every breath you take. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Breathe in power.